Hello everyone, my name is Kirby Samoji Nova, but you can just call me Kirby. Yes, just like the video game character Kirby, but I promise you that I won't inhale everything on sight. I'm someone who loves playing with words, which makes me a bit of a wordsmith by day, or maybe just a weirdly odd guy with some sort of jokes at night. When I'm not at home cracking dad jokes or working on creative projects, I am diving deep into the world of Java programming. Imagine just spending your days convincing a machine just to print "Hello World." And yeah, that's me in my element. I'm also passionate about organizing events, especially ones that brings people closer together. Whether it's about youth development, humanitarian service, or just simply sharing ideas. I love being simple at the heart of the action. In fact, you might say I'm the type of person who believes in turning small sparks of flame into a teamwork and collaboration, but in reality, I am not. Don't believe in that in the words that I say. But here's a fun fact about me. When I'm not busy with responsibility, you'll probably find me strategizing in a game so called Genshin Impact. And yes, I prefer using the catch or Raiden because the synergy is everything. Okay. So that's the glimpse of my world, a little mix of creativity, tech, leadership, and maybe just a sparkle of game. And this is Kirby Nova again, and that is my introductory vlog or something like that. And thank you. How do I turn up this thing again?